gusto nyo pa makita ang mga kagandahan ng Little Batanes, pumunta na kayo dito sa Sual, Pangasinan para makita ng personal. Unexpected views that we can see in Little Batanes of Pangasinan. We must never forget how God created this beautiful environment here in this world that we must love, protect, and save.